Hey, how's it going? Mayonnaise Man Life, check that out. Industrial size dehumidifier. One over there. Another one over there. Big trash bag. I just dumped this guy. I didn't have much in it. But look at how much water's in this one. Look at this. It's not quite halfway, but over a quarter. That's 24 hours. So check it. This room, it's like a college prep room. That one's not as bad. This one's not even running. A little at the bottom, not bad. This room is just so humid. Something with the air. 72 degrees. But even with these running, it's still humid in here. And here, that one just kicked on. It's purging. Something with the air. And then we've got air vents in these individual offices. Have their own unit in the ceiling. This time of year, tail end of summer, when it's hot and humid, can't keep up with it. 4 of them running. 24 hours. I dumped this the same time last night. What is going on?